Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys a iPhone 11 Pro Max review. Let's go and start it. Let's open the box and see how it looks. Actually, I have two iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let's open the first one. Let me turn this on. So actually I turned on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Actually, the good thing about this phone has like straight 24 hours. The battery life is a very good on this phone. Especially the camera for this iPhone 11 Pro Max is amazing. You can with the front camera you can also record 4K video, and also you can shoot like 60 frames per second. And the other thing, you can shoot slow motion video with the front camera. Actually, I love this iPhone 11 Pro Max because actually I use the camera for 4K videos more. And also this iPhone 11 Pro Max has three cameras. One is normal camera, and this one is a ultra wide angle, and this one is a telephoto camera as well. And the other cool option, this phone is like very fast. It's much faster than iPhone 10, iPhone 10 Max and XR or other models. This phone is amazing, and even you watch YouTube videos on iPhone 11 Pro Max, it's amazing quality when you watch 4K Ultra HD videos on the YouTube. Let's open another one as well. Actually, the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in three color: gold. I think one is comes in a midnight green, and actually I bought the silver ones because I like whitish color. That's why I bought the silver ones. And let's go outside and take some pictures and shoot the video with the iPhone 11 Pro Max and see how it looks. And also I will try to shoot a front facing slow-mo video as well. Hope you guys like it. Let's go outside and take some pictures and shoot the video. So if you are a vlogger, so this is the very nice front camera. Let's record the video with the front facing camera. Actually, the image stabilization is very good also on front camera. Let's shoot the video with the rear camera. So now I'm recording the video with handheld, uh, the ultra wide angle lens I'm using right now. So let's record the video. Let's record the video with the 1x zoom. And now let's record the video with the 2x zoom. Let's record the video with the slow-mo with the rear camera. Hope you guys like it. Let's record the slow motion video with front facing camera. I think you guys like the pictures and the video. It's like amazing quality. It's very sharp. Shoot in 4K videos, 24 frames per second, 30 frames, 60 frames, and also you can shoot a video in slow motion, 120 frames per second. Also the iPhone 11 Pro Max, when you play music, and the music app is amazing in this iPhone 11 Pro Max. The sound quality is amazing. For the cameras, when we shoot the video or taking pictures, if we take pictures, you guys can see we have 3 cameras, plus we can hold this and we can zoom in and out. We can zoom up to 10x. This is very cool feature. Also we can also play with the, when we shoot a video, and we can also hold this button and we can zoom in up to 6x. Also in the messages in this iPhone 11 Pro Max has very cool emojis. Hope you guys can see it. It's actually fun with this phone. iPhone 11 Pro Max actually another one good feature. It's a very quick charging as well. I charge this iPhone when I bought. It took less than 1 hour, and it's very good because I have iPhone 10 before, and I still have it, but the iPhone 10 when I charged it took more than 2 hours, almost 2.5 hours to reach up to a full battery charge. And iPhone 11 Pro Max, this is bigger battery, and but you can charge in less than 1 hour. This is very cool feature as well. Hope you guys like the pictures and the video quality, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and in the next video I can share with you guys a review of one very nice and cheap and best quality video mic. If you like the video, so share with your friends, and see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Thank you.